In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice in Hubspot. This process is quite straightforward and should only take you about 5 minutes to complete. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a clear understanding of how to navigate HubSpot to successfully invoice your clients or customers. So let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to the HubSpot homepage by entering the URL into your web browser. Once you're on the website, you'll see a login button at the top right corner of the page. Click on this to proceed. It's important to have your username and password handy, as you'll need these credentials to access your HubSpot account. After logging in, you'll be directed to the HubSpot home. This is your central hub where you can access all the tools and features HubSpot offers to manage your business effectively. Once you're on the HubSpot homepage, look for the Commerce tab. This is the section where all financial tools, including invoicing, are located. Click on Commerce and then you'll see an option labeled Invoices. Go ahead and click on that. This will bring you to the Invoices section where you can see any previous invoices and manage new ones. Now that you're in the Invoices section, look for the Create button. Clicking on this will present you with a few different options, but for this tutorial we're focusing on creating a one-time invoice. So select Create One-Time Invoice. At this point, HubSpot will prompt you to add a contact to the invoice. Click on Add Contact and you'll see a list of your existing contacts. If your desired contact isn't there, you may need to add them to your contacts in HubSpot before proceeding. Once you've selected the appropriate contact, make sure to hit Save to link them to your invoice. Next, you'll want to add line items to your invoice. To do this, click on Create Custom Line Item. This is where you'll input the details of the products or services you're billing for. Be sure to include relevant details such as description, quantity, and price. Once you've filled in these details to your satisfaction, go ahead and click Save. Finally, let's complete the invoice creation process. You should see a Create button at the bottom. Clicking this final Create button will generate the invoice and allow you to send it to your client or customer directly from HubSpot. Always double check all the information before sending to ensure everything is accurate. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to create invoices in HubSpot. Remember, this tool is here to streamline your financial processes, so take advantage of it to keep your business operations running smoothly. Thanks for watching and happy invoicing.